Welcome to our channel, The Trend Finder. Here in our channel, we'll be sharing the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis every day, as well as the intraday stocks every day for you to take the trades. I hope you find our videos useful to you, friends. If so, please give a like, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let us start with the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. So as of yesterday, Nifty has closed around 11,500. In the intraday session, we were seeing a continuous resistance at this particular level, 11,560. Okay, so the Nifty was being reversed from 11,560. So we took a bearish view after seeing the reversal candle around 11:15 a.m. So we were able to catch most of the trend in Nifty. And for today's trade, this will be your resistance point. So go long above this level. Uh, I'd rather say go long above 11,575. And on the shorter side, this is a support for Nifty, which is 11,427. And this will also act as support, which is the yesterday's swing low. So if Nifty breaks the second support, 11,430, go short in Nifty. Until then, keep buying on dips. And on the longer side, so if you see a breakout above this particular level, here you can make a long entry. So from here, this will be your first target. So after there is a breakout from this level, go long for a target of 11,575. So if Nifty breaks 11,575 levels, you can still see a further rally in Nifty. On the upside. Okay, friends. So let us look at the 1 hour chart. So if you look at the 1 hour chart, so you can clearly see there was a swing high resistance of 11,600 earlier in Nifty. So if you look at these levels, friends, so if we draw a zone, a horizontal zone towards this particular levels, you can clearly see that 11,560, let's say 560 to 11,600 has been a resistance zone for Nifty from last 4 to 5 trading sessions. So keep a note on this particular level. So go long on a positional setup in Nifty only if it breaks 11,600 levels. For intraday, you can play on the 15-minute time frame. So this is for the Nifty setup. Now let us look at the Bank Nifty. So if you look at the Bank Nifty, similar to Nifty setup, there was a resistance yesterday near 22,750 levels. So we went with a bearish view around 11:15, and we were able to catch this most of the trend, and we made our exit near 22,350. So for today's level in Bank Nifty, this will be your immediate resistance, which is yesterday's swing high, and this will be your support in Bank Nifty 22,285. So if Bank Nifty opens below this level, go short. If it opens above this level, go long. If it is opened in between these levels, just wait for the levels to break and go long or short in intraday. So now let us look at how the positional setup is made in Bank Nifty. If you look at the 1 hour chart in Bank Nifty, you can clearly see this particular zone. So the zone of 22,650 to 22,750 is being acted as a resistance in Bank Nifty. So for going long in Bank Nifty, it should break 22,750 on the upside. This is all positional setup. For intraday, refer to the 15-minute levels. So on the downside, 22,000 is a strong support for Bank Nifty now. 22,100 to 22,000. This level is a strong support level for Bank Nifty. So go short below 22,000 positionally for the targets of 21,800. This will be an easy 200 point move in Bank Nifty. On the upside, if 22,100 break, 22,750 breaks, go long in Bank Nifty for the target of 23,000. So this is a 1% gain in Bank Nifty. So that is all for today, friends. I hope you find this video useful. Please give a subscribe. Please hit on that subscribe button. Please like our video. Thank you, friends.